Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Odessa, Florida. We're gonna be doing the SpringHill Suites by Marriott, a hotel here. Last time I was here was about 3 years ago. So today we're gonna be doing their patio, pool deck, front entrance, some sidewalks, and also one side of the wall of the building. They don't want the whole thing done. Probably gonna get it done soon, but right now this is the greenish side. They want to get it clean and situated. So probably gonna try to use my 12 GPM and an extension, probably 2 extensions, to see if I can reach. It's 5 stories high, so we're gonna see if we can do it. The rest of the concrete, it's not terrible. I'm not gonna pre-treat commercial job, so I'm gonna go straight to surface cleaning, and then if I need to post treat, I will. They do take care of some of the sidewalks, but some of them they don't clean up, so they want me to get that done. So let's check it out. So this is the front of the building here. We're not gonna be doing this area at all as far as the front face of the building, but this side right here that doesn't see any sun, it's pretty green. The back side is dirty as well, but right now they just want the front, the side over here done. At this wall, you can see here this wall has a lot of algae. Like I said, it's 5 stories. You can see the ledge over here at the bottom, super dirty. We may have to hit that with a soft wash system. I think the rest should clean up with downstreaming. Maybe a couple coats of that should be good enough. We're not doing this sidewalk over here. Like I said, 3 years ago I was here, so you know it's about time to get done. They don't want this side done. I don't know why. I think last time I was here, I stopped right here at this little drain area. Yeah, I stopped right here last time. So they want the same thing done, but definitely not at the same price. The price went up. So we're gonna clean all the sidewalks here in the front entrance. Well, I'll do the island for them up here. All this sidewalk right here get done. I'm gonna show you guys the back side of the building. Sorry for these people. It's gonna be loud, so they probably had to go inside. And then we got the patio on the other side of the pool deck. This is the patio here. We'll clean the patio. And the back sidewalk. I'm gonna show you guys what I was talking about as far as the building needs to be washed in the back. If you guys can see on the underneath these windows, you can see a lot of algae build up all the way across the back. Look at that, starting to build up. It needs to be done. It needs to be done. But we're gonna do all this concrete here, like I said, in there, and then we'll start down there. That's where we're gonna start at. Got the Mondo ready. I'm about to fire it up and get to work. Alright guys, taking a quick recap. I cleaned all this air, and the landscape people came and got it all dirty. I gotta rinse it off again. I just got done doing the patio. That's all rinsed. The thing was pretty dirty. I'm gonna go do the pool deck, and then we'll continue working around the front, and then I'll do the wall last. There's a lot of dirt and algae in these cracks. Got one person over there that gotta get their stuff. They're gonna go inside, and I'm gonna go do that. Now, right now it's about 45 minutes since I've been here. 45 minutes. All right, pool deck down and done. Got my surface clean on this side. I got plenty of water, 2 full tanks. I'm gonna disconnect the water and then start working on the rest of the building. That should be plenty, because I don't want to carry a bunch of water on the way out. All right, now we're at this wall. We're gonna try to attempt to do it. Like I said, I got a 4-foot extension wand, and I got a 3-footer, so 70 feet with a 12 GPM and a shooter tip. I'm gonna see if I can hit it. The wind is picking up, of course, right now. So we're gonna see if we can fight with this wind and get this wall clean, man. It may be a challenge, so let's see what happens. Definitely a challenge, y'all. I can see here it's cleaning up to the 1, 2, 3, You can see what the green is up there. It's like night and day. That's like right on top of the 3rd story. I don't know if I might get in the back of the truck and shoot it in spurts. Just when the wind is carrying it. If it wasn't windy, I know I can get up there, but I definitely got to wait for this wind to settle down a little bit. I mean, it's blowing hard. So, but it's looking very, very good already, man. That's gonna work for me. Get in the back of the truck, give me that extra, I don't know, about 4 feet. That's all I need. I can hit all the way to the top now. Just like you do it between wind spurts, because wind bursts, because that thing is carrying pretty good. I don't know if I have to move the truck. I gotta keep my eye out so nobody walks by as well. So we found a solution. Sometimes you gotta think on the fly. Let's go. We're looking pretty good. When I put the pressure washer on the rinse mode, I have more power than downstreaming, because downstreaming cuts your flow down so it can draw the chemical. Now I'm back to full flow. I can reach pretty much 4 stories up. That's why I don't rinse 4 stories up down to the ground easily. I'm gonna go up there to the truck, rinse out the top. I got a little bit of green right up top right here next to this window. I'm gonna have to reapply and rinse that one more time. But the rest of this side is good. That side was pretty green. That side is good. Even that trim came out good. We got a little bit of green. I gotta treat one more time. I think we'll be good to go, guys. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, we all finished here. Just talked to the property manager. Loved it, man. He's like, oh my God, looks like a whole brand new wall. And it surely does. So let's check it out. All right, this is the wall here. Thing was super green, especially on this side. Thing was green, green, green. Yes, sir. Downstream, it was tricky, man, with that wind to apply the chemical, but you know, it came out great. He said he's gonna soon have me come back and do the rest of the building. I mean, this is a big, big building, man. This back wall is super long. and it's dirty. The front is not as bad, and the other side of the building is not bad at all, really. But this one is, and then this side was. This is the sidewalk I did earlier. I already showed y'all the deck and the patio. Y'all, signing off. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I just showed y'all you can get the job done with downstream. Granted, you need a strong pressure washer to hit 5 stories. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it. I actually was gonna buy a 12-foot extension. That's 7. I think that 12 would have got me way closer than that 7-footer, but it still worked out perfect. We got that strong wind gust still blowing. Alright, you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell for new content. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.